starting with performing life-saving surgery on this lion. This is Dr. Alex. What are we about to do?
This lion has a tooth infection that could literally kill it. So we're going to perform a root canal to save this lion's life.
We're giving it life-saving surgery to remove the infection in its teeth.
Can you just hold that lip like that for us?
Oh my gosh, he is literally pulling gunk out of its teeth. And this gunk, if untreated, would somehow end up in the lion's heart valves?
That's right.
What would happen if she woke up?
She'd bite my finger off.
Oh. And my finger.
That looks really good. Procedure's done.
Let's release her. Now the lion is happy and healthy.